Hi Stalwart Fam, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Michael.
My name is Faith.
And we are the Stalwart Lovers.
Yay.
If you're new here, welcome. We post videos on faith, relationship and lifestyle. And if to our returning subscribers, thank you so much. Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back. So we have exciting news, guys.
Yep.
Like, we are now YouTube partners.
YouTube partners. Hey! Do you know what that means? Oh my god. Tell them.
Yes, so we are now monetized on YouTube. We've joined the YouTube Partners program. So now you start to see ads on our videos. And when you see those ads, please
watch them.
Like, the more you watch them, the more some little change coming. I mean, and then the more you share our videos, then the more people
view.
See.
Yeah.
And you know how it goes. Yeah.
So first we want to say thank you because you guys got us here. Because
there's
a particular mark you need to get to before YouTube can accept you into the partnership program. But now that we are into the partnership program, you'll be seeing ads on our videos, and then please watch them, because when you watch them, we have some 0.000 cents that can be added to our account, right? So gradually, the more people that watch us, then the more money we can make from YouTube, and it's exciting. And I'm sure you want us to make some money from what we're doing, right?
Because we know you love us.
Because we know you love us. All right. So, babe, what are we doing today?
All right. So the main thing that brought us here. I don't know. We are just so excited.
It's shocking me. It's shocking me.
It's shocking us. I'm sure you can tell by the title. It's our 1 year anniversary.
Yay!
So 1 year ago, me and this handsome, sweet Daddy-o went to the altar and do some things traditional, blah blah blah.
Yes.
You know how it goes.
So it's been 1 year that we've been married. And living together as married couples.
Yeah.
You all know we've been married legally 6 months before our wedding, but we did not consummate our marriage for reasons best known to us, right? So it's been 1 year that we consummated, that we went to the holies of holies, that we went to eat the dinner that the married people used to eat. It's been 1 year that we began to let's stop there. Pressing into the deep things of God. It's been 1 year that we began to two shall chase 10,000 kind of thing.
Yeah.
And it's been amazing. Honestly, it's been amazing. We just want to give you a little bit of how it has been this last 1 year.
Yeah, updates. 1 year updates of our marriage, something like that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so before we go into this video, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe and join our family. I'm sure you're going to love us. You're going to enjoy our content.
Yes.
So the first thing is this: for so many couples, the first 1 year means a lot of things.
Yeah.
We've heard a lot of things. Oh, the first 1 year is always the blooming year. The year where everything is rosy. And then, children come in. And then everything just looks like you don't have time for each other again. So for some people, the first year is their toughest year. When they actually fight, they get to see each other's differences. And if you are able to make it through that time, then you have a chance of your marriage lasting, A lot of things.
Which one should we not believe? It's your choice.
It's what you make your first year to be, that will be. For us, our first year has been amazing. Tell us, how has the first year been for you?
Okay, well, the first year has been really amazing, really awesome. Like, the things that I never imagined that I'll be doing now, I'm doing them. Like, marriage just brought me into a new vista, into a new era of my life, and it was really amazing. It has really been wonderful. Like, I've been able to start doing some things that I've always wished for.
What kind of things?
I always fantasized
about. What kind of things?
And then
have you been able to be reading the Bible more? Is that the kind of things you're talking about?
Well, that's part of it, I guess. But I'm talking about some other things. Whatever. He always does this to me. He said I'm a bad child. You said you're a bad child. Who made me bad?
Let's continue the video.
Yeah, so that's how my 1 year has been. And I've seen the power of unity at work. I've seen us coming together as a husband and wife and agreeing on something and it's happening, coming to pass. So it has really been such an experience. Let me just put it that way. How has your own 1 year been?
For me,
with this beautiful, amazing princess.
You deserve it all.
Oh.
let me just say this. This woman right here is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Apart from the fact that Jesus saved me. Honestly speaking, 1 year with you has been amazing. It has been peaceful. It has been full of love and happiness. It has been joyful. I have achieved so much in 1 year than I have achieved in a long time.
Aww.
You know, and when the Bible says that one will chase 1,000 and two will chase 10,000, I have seen it. And you know, my wife has been supportive. She has been there.
Yeah.
We've actually lived in each other's noses for the last 1 year because I work from home and she also works from home.
Yeah.
Right? But it has been amazing. We've not had clashes, we've not had
But
issues.
anytime he has a reason to go out,
She wants to come with
2
me.
hours, I will meet him.
Most times she will even come with me, except she cannot go where I'm going.
Yeah.
Then she's gonna miss me so much. The time that I miss her the most is when she goes to plait her hair. Because she will go for like 4 hours. And I'm like, where's my wife? We are so used to living together that, I mean, staying apart is just so difficult.
Hard.
So I mean, spiritually we have grown deeper because now I don't just study my Bible. Then I study my Bible. Then we discuss. It's like daily Bible study. What we're talking about. So imagine what Jesus said there. What it means is this. Oh wow, this is like always having
like.
And this woman, she has revelation, fire.
What?
You know, so it's always interesting studying the Bible with my wife. It's always interesting praying with her, and I like the way she gingers me. For example, there are certain things that I've been afraid to take up because of the fear of the unknown, and I've always had that challenge with me when I'm too afraid to do something.
Or afraid to fail.
Too afraid to fail. Yeah, I love success so much that when there's a chance, high probability of me failing, I don't just attempt. You know, she pushed me, prayed with me. You know, when I'm doing some things that I've been afraid to do, she'll be praying in the background so that I can have the, you know, such a powerful union. I've been so blessed having you, baby.
Oh.
And it has been amazing.
Give me my lip gloss.
I should have known. Anyway, that's how 1 year has been for me in a nutshell. It has been just nothing but amazing. And also, 1 year has been sweet because of you guys. Because we've had the experience of filming our life and our marriage
at least
for you guys to see, yes, the things that we are okay, you know, to share with you guys. And you guys have also made our year amazing. One of the things we enjoy is when we post videos and you guys rush it and you guys comment, we just used to feel like, yes, we're doing something great. And thank you for always making us happy and reassuring us.
Yes.
I think I've said enough.
Yes, that was amazing. Like, thank you for blowing my own a little bit right there. I was so happy.
You deserve your horn to be blown.
Thank you so much, babe. And I mean, as you were talking, I was just feeling like, wow, this marriage thing is something that can actually be beautiful. Like, don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody deceive you that marriage is a scam or men are scum. I mean, I just feel like just trust God. Yeah, not all men. Some are actually
and some women too.
And some women too are scum.
So it's a balanced equation.
So I feel like in a healthy and wonderful marriage, you can achieve so much. And that's why I feel like we should just learn to trust God to actually give us our own person.
Yeah.
The person that would love us, the person that is for us and that we can vibe with on any level. And you know, just hearing what you were saying was just giving me all those ideas. So marriage is not hard. I don't think it is. Some people say you don't have the right to say it till you're like 5 years. I say okay, no problem.
See, this is what I hear the most. When I talk about
God, and we know it is not hard.
See, let me even address something. Alright, let me address something. And this is important for those of you that are married 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and it looks like you know marriage more than people that are just joining. It's okay. Nobody is arguing with you.
Yeah.
But when we talk about how beautiful our marriage is and how much we're enjoying it, don't come and tell me that you're just still enjoying the sweet part.
Some people actually do that. Like,
too much. You're still enjoying the sweet part. You will still start seeing some things. It's as if, you should be anticipating, you know, evil. And bad thing. No, we don't anticipate evil. We live one day at a time and choose deliberately to be happy. And trust God. Because every day of our marriage, we are working hard to keep our happiness. I want to challenge the singles and those that just got married like us. See, you can have a happy marriage. Your marriage can be easy. Just make sure that when you're making your decision, That is the most important thing you should
Yeah.
do. Make sure you carry God along.
And
Make sure you have your
make the right
yes. To make sure
decision.
you are not thinking emotionally. Think about your sustainability.
Mhm.
Ask yourself, can this person give me the kind of joy that I desire?
Mhm.
You know, and if you
Yeah.
are feeling, if you're having cold feet towards it, it's most likely not it. You know, so
Yeah.
that's just that about that.
About that. Let's not spend too much time.
Yeah.
Alright, so now this is something that will interest some of you. I've heard someone tell me that, I mean, you guys always look perfect on TV, on I want to say on TV,
On camera.
on camera. You know, you guys just look so put together. You guys don't look like you fight or anything like that. Like, I want to see some rawness. I want to see some.
Someone was even like, I'm sure there are times when you're just annoyed, you don't want to see her face. I'm like,
That actually hardly happens. In fact, it
Never.
never happens.
Never.
It never happened. Like,
literally.
like it has never. I don't know. Maybe some people will not believe us, but
See, the thing is, we cannot come here and lie to you guys. One of the things you guys know us for is that we are real.
Mhm.
And the reality is
the
that
reality.
we have a happy marriage.
Yeah.
And we are happy about it, and we don't mind telling you
Yeah.
that we do, so that you too can know that you can.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah. But I mean, I came here to actually give you one instance.
Let's give you a gist.
Let's give you one gist. Like, let us spice up this conversation with that one gist.
So there was one
So,
time.
Okay, do you want to say the story?
There was one time that I had something close to. I saw a color that was not my wife's color that I'm used to. One time, hey, it
That's
lasted
good.
for about 3 minutes. So,
Mm-hmm.
and it was because we cut it quickly. Let's
Yeah.
tell you about the story.
Mm. Should I say it or you should say it?
Let us talk now.
Okay. No, you say it. You say it.
Okay, so I'm the better storyteller, Abi. Now, this is what happened. We were planning to film a video in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
My wife, you know, she has natural hair, she likes hair, blah blah. She had worked all through the previous day setting her hair. She did not tell me that this
And
hair.
water must not touch it. If not,
She did not tell me that water
and I
was
wanted to
not
wear
touching.
the style for YouTube.
She wanted to wear the style for YouTube. If you look at the style where she had this rough hair and I also decided to rough my hair, that was the video. We had a little kind of disagreement or misunderstanding that morning.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? We were bathing together, and there's this thing we do when we bathe together. If you are too afraid to pour water on your body because it's cold, the other person will just
Take the opportunity to be wicked.
to be wicked and pour water on you, and then we'll just laugh and all those things. So
But my husband here does not know how to do that display.
I've told her a ton times, like a million times, always wear a shower cap when you
But
want
I
to
did not have
your
a shower
bath.
cap.
Why don't you have a shower cap?
I did not have
Tell
a shower
them why you don't have a shower cap.
But I have a shower cap now.
How much are they selling shower cap? Go and buy. No, because you're used to just waiting. You know, so what happened was I was trying to pour the water. She poured water on me, and I was trying to revenge.
Revenge.
But maybe she bent down, or maybe my hand went up too much. The water shower entered her hair.
Auntie, I
Hey!
was like,
Hey!
oh my god.
My wife,
my
my
God.
wife was so annoyed,
I was so annoyed.
and she couldn't get the fact that water just touched her hair out of the way, and she wanted to walk out of the bathroom. And I was holding her that, no, you don't get to
I just
walk
want
out.
to check the hair and dry it up on time.
But not the way you are angry. You cannot be angry at him like that. It was so strange, and I don't like it. I did not like it. I prefer my stability. I don't like anything that will take me on the edge, right? So I was trying to hold her that, babe, stay, because we have a principle. You stay there and you deal with it.
Yeah.
Say you will not fight is a lie. You will have disagreements.
Mm-hmm.
If it will now result into a fight, and maybe you are having malice, or you sleep in separate beds, that's now how far you decide to take it.
Mm-hmm.
So I wouldn't let that go too far.
Mm-hmm.
And then she eventually left because I was holding her too much, and I felt like I was using too much strength
Yeah.
to hold her down. So I just allowed her to go.
Mm-hmm.
But when she now went, after like a minute, I now called her back and said, babe, what you just did now, no matter how right you thought you were, you hurt my
In
feelings.
fact, so let me just take over from here. I was still angry. Like, I was still boiling because I've told you before that I should not. Normally, when I go to bed, I would have soap on my face. So the soap needs to stay for a while. So I don't even like him eat when he does that. Like, he pours water, like pour it on my body. Don't let it reach my face for crying out.
But if I pour it on your body, then you will see me coming. The fun thing is that I just
But
pour it.
when I pour it on you,
But I shall stop pouring because I don't want
wait.
to fight my marriage.
When I pour it on you,
Mhm.
does it reach your face?
I'm taller than you.
But do you see that? Do you see me coming?
I'm taller than you.
Does it mean?
Anyway,
Doesn't
Coco
mean-
is that you got angry.
Anyway, I got angry. I got angry, and my husband just started telling me some things. He was like, babe, why did you do that? Kidiko. He was just so angry. That's why
I wasn't angry. I was sad.
He was sad and he
hot.
was hurt. When I just saw those tears, everything, all the anger just did like this.
The power of omij. You know what I'm talking about. So
I was like,
let me say something. I was telling her that when she was angry, I was telling her, but babe, you know I did not do it deliberately.
yeah.
I did not deliberately pour water. One thing that I know in my wife will not deliberately try to hurt me, because she's not wicked, right?
Yeah.
And she knows that I will not deliberately try to hurt her. So whenever you feel that I have hurt you, you address the situation, not be angry at me, because I will not deliberately. I won't know that this water will touch your hair, and I will not pour it on your hair. So why are you taking it out on me? And while I was saying all those things, I teared up.
Yeah.
And I don't cry. Like, guys, I'm tough.
I'm
I'm tough. But you know why I cried was because I've tried so much to explain to her that marriage has to work, and you must isolate the situation from the person.
Yeah.
But in that moment, that's our hair. In fact, I felt like telling her to go and bag the hair, because your hair is not what will come in between you and I. But to be honest, I felt like, no, you cannot take me and merge me into this situation. Yes, what happened didn't go well with you, right? But you can't remove the fact that I did not do it deliberately. I was playing with you, you know. So while I was speaking, a tear just dropped. I think just one sharp. A tear just dropped in my eyes, and she just got weak.
Just one or be two?
It was just one.
Your two eyes.
No! Oh yeah, show me camera. Prove it. Show me picture.
Your eyes were red.
Show
eyes.
Babe,
I
please. I'm not a cracker. I was just so hot, and I was trying to fight it, but I felt like, you know what? Just let the water. You know you can hold your tears now. I just felt like let the water come and let her even know how much she. And once she saw the tears, she just
like I just started begging. I was like, babe, please.
She was now the one
sorry.
telling me that she's sorry. I was telling her that, see, I really don't feel offended. I'm just hurt.
Yeah.
And see, we need to talk about this. This must not happen again. Even if it is me that you offend, right? I must isolate you from. I love you too much. You cannot deliberately hurt me. So I'm going to address what happened and how you can try not to hurt me next time. Not that I will now be angry at you.
Yes. So
and
that
was how the matter was.
I don't think it was more than 5 minutes.
Maximum 5 minutes. All this drama. And that's the highest level of drama we ever had.
Yeah. So
except maybe she fought and I run out of the house, or I fought, she run. That's just fun. Not really fight.
So that's the end of our tiny TED talk.
Yeah.
For those that feel like, oh, we are perfect. Well,
we are not perfect.
We are not perfect.
At least we have told you one. That looks like, okay, they had a challenge. So we are not perfect, okay?
Yeah.
But we deliberately work.
Yes, work
out.
hard.
We work at our happiness with fear and trembling.
Yes, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Yes, give it comment down below, and subscribe share it all your friends.
Share this video, we go share it. Alright?
Yes,
and anticipate our vlog for our anniversary.
Till we come over again.
Keep loving
and keep believing.
We are the Stalwart Lovers.
Yay!